it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to bring a quick tutorial for y'all today. I've been playing around in the shop as we're waiting for the hurricane to come, and I just kind of got busy doodling some hurricane tornado style shaped designs. Very simple LNE design that you can do as a background filler. It could honestly fill a lot of space in a little bit of time, and you'll notice that as I'm going through and I'm quilting, I'm actually quilting them in little rectangular chunks, and as I'm missing some of the spaces, I'm going in and it's pretty easy to backtrack. I also like at the bottom of them doing kind of like a circular design just to help you kind of travel and backtrack in case you got to change the direction you're swirling about, so that you're able to get in there and get out of there and make it look cohesive. Try as best you can to get that triangular cone shape if you can. If not, it's still going to look awesome. You'll notice that mine are not all perfectly triangular and they still look pretty cool. Enjoy the quick tutorial. Let's take a look at the design shape now. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this quick free motion quilting tutorial. Please like and subscribe and click the little bell on the YouTube channel so that you can get notifications as soon as new videos and content come out. And feel free to share on your Facebook and Instagram platforms so that more people can learn about Bold Notion Quilting and their super fun free motion quilting fillers and tutorials that we have for y'all. Take care and have a wonderful day, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!